This is a quick tutorial on Picmonic's daily quiz with spaced repetition, the third step of the Picmonic learning system. But why do we need to talk about spaced repetition? Well, for starters, this guy, who in 1885 coined the term the forgetting curve and showed people for the first time that we forget at an exponential rate. But by reviewing previously learned information over increasing intervals of time, also known as spaced repetition or the spacing effect, you can more effectively turn what you need to remember into long-term memories. So let's get started. Here on your home screen, check out the daily quiz with spaced repetition tile.
Use your daily quiz to efficiently review everything you've ever quizzed in Picmonic. By clicking the gear icon, you can adjust your settings to the amount of facts you want to be quizzed on. Click on the Daily Quiz button to begin. If you need a little help, just tap on the character to get a hint. You can also toggle the Show Image Before Answering and Show Additional Characters options off to make the quiz more difficult. These will completely block out the image, allowing you to really test your memory. You can also customize your quiz experience by enabling or disabling animations or sound effects. At the end of the round, you can see your results and scroll through the answer key for a more detailed explanation. You can also manage your daily quiz with options to see a topic more, less, or to remove it from your quiz queue completely. You can also check your quiz stats by clicking on Stats in the navigation menu. Here, you can view your accuracy across all topics by category and see how many questions you got right or wrong. You'll also get an overview of how many questions you answered per day or per month. Now, if you want to focus on a specific subject, category, or playlist, say for an upcoming exam or area that you're struggling with, find the content you're looking for, then just click Quiz or the Quiz button at the top of a playlist. Spaced repetition is one of the many evidence-based features that Picmonic utilizes to help you maximize your memory. So until next time, study less and remember more.